I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
I get ready quickly.
I get ready quickly.
I grab my wallet.
I grab my wallet.
I walk to the cafe.
I walk to the cafe.
The cafe smells amazing.
The cafe smells amazing.
I see a long line.
I see a long line.
I wait patiently.
I wait patiently.
It is finally my turn.
It is finally my turn.
I smile at the barista.
I smile at the barista.
I say, 1 coffee, please.
I say, 1 coffee, please.
The barista asks, hot or iced?
The barista asks, hot or iced?
I say, hot, please.
I say, hot, please.
She asks, sugar and cream?
She asks, sugar and cream?
I say, just a little sugar.
I say, just a little sugar.
She nods and starts making my coffee.
She nods and starts making my coffee.
I hear the coffee machine.
I hear the coffee machine.
It makes a loud sound.
It makes a loud sound.
She pours the coffee into a cup.
She pours the coffee into a cup.
She hands me the cup.
She hands me the cup.
I say, thank you.
I say, thank you.
She smiles and says, enjoy.
She smiles and says, enjoy.
I take a sip.
I take a sip.
The coffee is warm and delicious.
The coffee is warm and delicious.
I feel awake now.
I feel awake now.
I sit by the window.
I sit by the window.
I watch people outside.
I watch people outside.
I enjoy my morning.
I enjoy my morning.
Please take a screenshot and read them aloud again and again. Tom wakes up early.
Tom wakes up early.
He checks the time.
He checks the time.
He gets ready quickly.
He gets ready quickly.
He never rushes.
He never rushes.
He plans his day well.
He plans his day well.
He leaves home on time.
He leaves home on time.
He walks to the bus stop.
He walks to the bus stop.
The bus arrives.
The bus arrives.
He gets on the bus.
He gets on the bus.
He finds a seat.
He finds a seat.
He looks out the window.
He looks out the window.
The bus moves fast.
The bus moves fast.
He reaches his stop.
He reaches his stop.
He gets off the bus.
He gets off the bus.
He walks to the office.
He walks to the office.
His friend Jake is waiting.
His friend Jake is waiting.
Jake smiles and says, "You are early again."
Jake smiles and says, "You are early again."
Tom laughs and says, "Of course."
Tom laughs and says, "Of course."
He is always on time.
He is always on time.
Jake shakes his head.
Jake shakes his head.
"I wish I were like you," Jake says.
I wish I were like you, Jake says.
Tom smiles and says, "Just set a routine."
Tom smiles and says, "Just set a routine."
They walk inside together.
They walk inside together.
Please take a screenshot and read them aloud again and again. I wake up late.
I wake up late.
My alarm did not ring.
My alarm did not ring.
I jump out of bed.
I jump out of bed.
I get ready quickly.
I get ready quickly.
I skip breakfast.
I skip breakfast.
I run to catch the bus.
I run to catch the bus.
The bus is crowded.
The bus is crowded.
I stand the whole way.
I stand the whole way.
I reach work just in time.
I reach work just in time.
My boss gives me extra work.
My boss gives me extra work.
I have many emails to answer.
I have many emails to answer.
I work all day.
I work all day.
I don't take a break.
I don't take a break.
I feel exhausted.
I feel exhausted.
I check the time.
I check the time.
It is finally evening.
It is finally evening.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I leave the office.
I leave the office.
The bus is late.
The bus is late.
I wait at the stop.
I wait at the stop.
I reach home tired.
I reach home tired.
I drop my bag on the sofa.
I drop my bag on the sofa.
I sit down and sigh.
I sit down and sigh.
I say, I am so tired today.
I say, I am so tired today.
I close my eyes for a moment.
I close my eyes for a moment.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
Please take a screenshot and read them aloud again and again. I step outside.
I step outside.
The sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
I lock my door.
I lock my door.
I turn around.
I turn around.
Mrs. Green is watering her plants.
Mrs. Green is watering her plants.
She sees me and smiles.
She sees me and smiles.
She waves and says, "Good morning."
She waves and says, "Good morning."
I smile back.
I smile back.
"Good morning," I say.
Good morning, I say.
She looks at my bag.
She looks at my bag.
She tilts her head.
She tilts her head.
"Where are you going?" she asks.
Where are you going? She asks.
"I'm going to the grocery store," I reply.
I'm going to the grocery store, I reply.
She nods and says, "Oh, that's nice."
She nods and says, "Oh, that's nice."
"Do you need anything?" I ask.
Do you need anything? I ask.
She thinks for a moment.
She thinks for a moment.
"Just some milk, please," she says.
Just some milk, please, she says.
"Sure," I reply.
Sure, I reply.
She smiles warmly.
She smiles warmly.
"Thank you. You're so kind," she says.
Thank you. You're so kind, she says.
I wave and walk away.
I wave and walk away.
Please take a screenshot and read them aloud again and again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.